Welcome to Habortouch's site readiness training. It's important to properly prepare your location to ensure a smooth installation and avoid any unforeseen costs. This video will go over the basics, and you can find more detailed information in the site readiness guide available from Habortouch. First, you need to have an active internet connection at your business location prior to installation. A cable or DSL internet provider is recommended for the most reliable connection and the best performance. Avoid 3G, 4G, and satellite internet, as these connections will not provide adequate reliability or performance. To set up your network, you will first need to obtain a modem from your internet service provider and make sure it is connected to the internet. Habortouch will supply a router at the time of installation that will plug into the modem using a Cat5 Ethernet cable. The router is usually placed in close proximity to the modem or up front near the POS systems. All of Habortouch's equipment will then connect to the router using Cat5 Ethernet cables. Each network device will need to be connected to the router with its own dedicated Cat5 Ethernet cable. Network devices provided by Habortouch include the point-of-sale system, any remote printers, kitchen video systems, and caller ID units. Each of these devices will need to have a Cat5 Ethernet cable running from the router to the location where the device is going to be installed. Caller ID units will also need access to any and all applicable phone lines, in addition to their connection to the router. You have three options when it comes to Cat5 Ethernet cabling. Our recommended option is to have the cable run prior to your point-of-sale installation by an electrician or by an IT professional. The second option is to have Habortouch install the cable prior to your point-of-sale installation. Lastly, you can have Habortouch run the cable at the time of the installation. However, this will be the most expensive option, so you can reduce costs and expedite the installation process by having this done ahead of time. Habortouch will provide a 10-foot Ethernet cable for each network device at no additional charge, but any lengths over 10 feet will require an additional cost. When calculating how much cable you're going to need for each connection, keep in mind that the cable run may need to be inside of a wall or run through the ceilings, depending on the layout of your business. You can reference the site readiness guide for more detail or discuss these requirements with your order admin representative. In addition to verifying the cabling needs at your location, it is also critical that you meet all power and construction requirements as well. First, the point-of-sale system must be installed in a permanent location, such as on a countertop or a solid table. Installation in a temporary location, such as on a mobile cart, a collapsible table, a cardboard box, or on the floor, is strictly prohibited. Additionally, installation of sheetrock and countertops, as well as painting, must be completed prior to the POS installation. When it comes to power, one outlet is required for each of the following: the point-of-sale system, the router, the remote printer, kitchen video system, the scale, the pin pad, and the caller ID system. Please note that Habortouch cannot run any electrical lines. If additional outlets are needed, you must get this done by an electrician prior to the POS installation. Non-compliance with any of these guidelines could result in additional costs as well as delays in the installation process. For more details about preparing your business for installation, please see the site readiness guide available from Habortouch. If you have any questions or concerns, please email our order administration department at orderadmin@habortouch.com or call 800-201-0461 and follow the appropriate prompts. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to serving your business.